I just had a discussion with him and the guy that interprets for me. And he's decided that if we want to apply, if the state would still be willing for PTI. I haven't been able to have this discussion with him until
190 days old. This should have come up. Should have been done many moons ago.
It's been very hard to communicate with over the phone, whether he comes into the office or not, until I get a translator for myself. And that's on me, Judge. It's not his fault.
No. I'm not going to let you fall on the sword. What's his last name? Oh, Abbasi. Mr. Abbasi, why are you having such a problem communicating with your lawyer?
آقای عباسی شما برای چی اینقدر مشکل داری که با وکیلت ارتباط برقرار کنی؟
ما امی حادثه که شد به اون خاطر من همراه وکیل صاحب در ارتباط شدم تا بتونم، چون من زبانم بلد نبودم، در قانونم برابر نمیفهم چون من مهاجر هستم، به اون خاطر من با ایشانم در ارتباط شدم که تا بتونن ما همکاری کنم.
Since I don't know the language and also I'm immigrant here, I don't know the law, so I connected to him so he can help me.
You are peeing on my leg and telling me it's raining. I had a perfectly fine conversation with you yesterday.
من با تو یک مکالمه خوب داشتم دیروز.
دقیقاً.
Yes.
So ultimately, ma'am, if you can tell him his case is 190 days old, it's now time to decide if he wants to accept a plea bargain or go to trial.
امروز الان 190 روز از کیس تو گذشته. میخوای که این چیزی که اینا میگن رو بهت قبول بکنی یا بری برای محکمه بعدی؟
But we can if we get rejected, we're going to set the case for him because I'm confident he did not understand the GICs, did not understand the SFST instructions. I'm very confident, but he doesn't want to have the hearing because he's getting the impression from you that you think he speaks English perfectly. So he doesn't want to put his faith in your hands. He'd rather apply for PTI. I know how to do the PTI application quick. I do them all the time. We can get it in as soon as possible.
You know, Mr. Mercer, as much as I appreciate you, and if you can translate this to the defendant, he's been playing games with us. Is he going to play the same games with the people on the diversion?
میگه که تو با ما انگار بازی کردی تو این قضیه.
مثلا من کدام شوخی مذاق نکردم و با واقعیت که من انگلیسی رو نمیفهمم، قانون بلد نیستم. ما در شهر نو آمدیم، مدت 3 سال میشه با فامیل.
So I really didn't do anything. I just don't know the language and the law, and I'm new here. It's been 3 years. I came here with my family.
He has responsibilities, major responsibilities that he could lose should he have a conviction in DWI. He's explained to me he takes care of his mother, he has kids. I know that he will take the opportunity if given seriously. I'm sorry if it's come across to the court that he's playing games, but I do feel
completely, absolutely, 100%. Pavel, is Mr. Abbasi approved for the program or no?
No. Let me see. It was a 0.17.
If not, Mr. Mercer, I will give him 1 week to get all the information to you. If he doesn't have it in a week, he will get an immediate trial setting after that, and I will not take anything else. So would you mind letting him know, Ms. Mirabalok, that he has 1 week to get absolutely every document that Mr. Mercer needs to him to apply for entry into this program?
Yes. شما 1 هفته زمان داری که تمام اسناد و معلوماتی رو که این آقای وکیل ازت میخواد بهش بدی که تو رو در آن پروگرام وارد کنه.
درست است.
Okay.
If you fail to get these documents in, I will immediately set your case for trial and I will not accept any more plea bargains from you.
اگر اینکه 1 هفته کارات درست انجام ندی و همین اسنادها رو بدی، من میفرستم برای محکمه بعدی.
درست است.
It is your responsibility to take someone who speaks the language to his office.
باید یک نفر که زبان خودت را بلد هست به آفیس اینها ببری.
درست است.
Michael Ramirez.
اوکی.
Do you understand?
متوجه هستی؟
بله.
I will not take this. I don't have anyone explaining anything to me anymore.
من دیگه نمیخوام که هیچ کس دیگه هیچ چیز رو برای من توضیح بده.
تشکر. درست است.
If you have all the documents to Mr. Mercer, then next week you will come back and we will send you for a TRAS.
اگر اینکه تمام اسنادها رو با آقای مرسر بدی بعد میای و ما هفته بعد میفرستیم برای اون برنامه.
درست است.
اوکی.
تشکر بسیار زیاد.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate the help.
Sure, my pleasure, Your Honor.
Take care. We'll see you in a week.
You too. Thank you. Have a good day.
1 week, DPIH must appear, please.